Today I'm cooking my version of prosperity prawns egg noodles. It is similar to the sanghamin that my family enjoy for longevity during birthdays and Chinese New Year dinner. This recipe is for 8 to 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of prawns, deveined, wash and cut open the back, 170 grams of pork, thinly sliced, 500 ml of water, 200 grams of baby bok choy, washed, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 50 grams of spring onion with stem and leaf separated, 175 grams of fresh eggs noodle or wonton mee, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 inch nub of ginger sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 75 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Alright, set aside. Next, marinate the pork slices with 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Rub to mix the salt and pork evenly. Set aside. Sprinkle 1/3 teaspoon of salt over the prawns and rub evenly. Marinate them on one side and inside the cut. Flip the prawns and repeat with the last 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the cooking oil into the non-stick pan and wait for about 1 minute for the oil to get hot. When the oil is hot, add all the chopped garlic and stir for about 1.5 minutes or until crispy and aromatic. After 1.5 minutes, the garlic is fragrant and getting brown. Remove 3/4 of them from the pan and set aside. Then add all the pork slices. Give it a light stir. Add in the ginger as well. Stir for about 1.5 minutes or until pork has turned grey. After 1 minute, add all the spring onion stem. Give it a stir until the stems are coated with the oil. Pour in 500 ml of water, sesame oil, light soy sauce, pepper, sugar, and oyster sauce. Stir the seasoning until they are well combined. Cover the pan and let it come to a boil for 5 minutes. In a separate pan, prepare a pot of boiling water on medium-high heat to cook the noodles. Once the water is boiling, prepare another basin of cold water. Loosen the egg noodles so that they will cook evenly. Open the lid. Carefully put all the egg noodles into the boiling water. Gently stir the noodles to keep their length with the pair of cooking chopsticks. After about 2 minutes, the noodles are about 90% cooked. With a large strainer, remove it from the pan and immerse it in cold water for about 10 seconds. Then add it back in the hot water for another 30 seconds. See, the texture of the noodle is still quite firm. This will make delicious chewy noodles. After 30 seconds, remove the noodle from the pan and immerse it again in cold water for about 10 seconds. Then, drain the water from the noodle, tossing it to remove the excess water. Pour all the onion oil over the noodles, stirring gently to evenly distribute the onion oil. This prevents them from sticking together. Alright, it is done. Leave aside. Let's check on the pork gravy. It has been 5 minutes. Open the lid and give it a stir. The pork slices are cooked. Now let's add in the bok choy. Give a little stir to submerge them. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the bok choy is cooked and crunchy. If softer bok choy is preferred, it can be cooked for 2 more minutes. Carefully remove the bok choy from the pan and set aside. While the gravy is boiling vigorously, add all the prawns, cover the pan to simmer for 2 minutes. Cook the prawns for 1 minute on one side and another minute on the other. After 2 minutes, the prawns are a beautiful orange. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Now the gravy is full of sweetness from the bok choy and prawns. Let's give it a taste. Wow, delicious! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Add the Shaoxing wine. Stir the gravy with the spatula. Gradually pour the tapioca flour to evenly thicken the gravy. Add the spring onion leaves and stir to evenly combine. And our gravy is done. Switch off the heat. Let's assemble our Prosperity Prawns Egg Noodle. In a large serving plate, place the egg noodles in the center. Arrange the bok choy near the border of the plate. And the prawns on the noodle. Then pour the sauce all over the noodles and prawns. Garnish with the rest of the crispy fried garlic. And our Prosperity Prawns Egg Noodle is done. Let's eat! Wow, so silky smooth, chewy and very delicious. The gravy is naturally sweet and very savory. The bok choy is crunchy and the prawns are tender and juicy. Perfect for a longevity meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!